Proper installation and repair of your dryer equipment is an important aspect toward ensuring all dryers remain in service to maximize drying capacity. Maintaining your dryer section requires knowledge and experience. Kadant Johnson has the specialized knowledge and experience needed to ensure your paper drying equipment is installed and maintained to the highest standards. Kadant Johnson offers dryer equipment installation services, paper and industrial, dryer equipment and leak repairs, paper and industrial, annual dryer inspections, and NDT services, including DA tanks, dryer exterior surface cleaning, safe, reliable, and efficient project management. Paper drying equipment installation and repair can be done at any monthly or annual shutdown. Kadant Johnson Services team provides installation and repair services of rotary joints, siphons, turbulator bars, and flexible hose. The services team also provides installation and repair of minor threaded piping, valves, and traps. Annual dryer inspection, an important preventative maintenance activity, ensures dryer and equipment reliability and safety, steam system efficiency, and can prevent catastrophic failures of equipment. The Kadant Johnson Services team is able to troubleshoot and identify or eliminate suspected issues from suspect sounds, flooding and high drive loads, production and speed inconsistencies, and mill policies. TAPI Tip 040216, a guideline for inspection and NDT of cast iron paper machine dryers, is an industry standard in papermaking and supports the importance of NDT to identify deficiencies and prioritize recommendations for dryer section improvements. NDT Services is recommended every 5 years. This includes visual inspection of the internal and external dryer equipment, visual inspection internally and externally of the dryer, ultrasonic testing to determine shell thickness and if there are cracked dryer head bolts, and magnetic testing for crack assessment. Kadant Johnson takes full ownership of all dryer inspections and NDT services. Our team of experienced techs open, clean, and close the dryer manways, are confined space trained, have experience and knowledge of all OEM dryer equipment, and can repair damaged equipment when discovered. In addition to installation, repair, dryer inspections, and NDT services, Kadant Johnson also provides dryer surface cleaning services. Kadant Johnson uses a dual grinder cleaning system to remove scale, stickies, and other debris to improve dryer surface smoothness and sheet contact with the dryer, reduce sheet breaks, and achieve higher productivity. From routine repairs to major dryer section rebuilds, if your plans include inspecting, repairing, or installing dryer equipment, include Kadant Johnson in your planning.